Hey, what's up guys? Your boy Mark here. What we have here is a AC compressor off a 2010 Kia Forte, and what I'm going to do is show you how to fill it with R134A peg oil. This one calls for peg 46. So it's going to take about 3 ounces of this. This jar here is about 8 ounces. So we're going to use only about 3 ounces to fill this AC compressor. So you're going to start by taking this knob off here. So we're going to unscrew that, and I used a 9/16 wrench. Once you have that unscrewed, you don't want to waste it everywhere. So I use my funnel to put over the hole. Set that there. Now, if your AC compressor is already on your car, you're going to have to buy the peg oil in the can that will cause you to use a AC hose like this to insert it inside the compressor. That's if your compressor is already on the car. However, this one is not. It's brand new. So you would have to buy a can like this with peg oil, then connect your AC line to it, then connect this to your AC inlet, the high pressure side. But since we have the AC compressor already off the car, this is how you do it. Take that screw off and begin to fill it about 3 ounces. So I will insert it here. Let it go down. And when you're filling it, you're going to have to turn this a little bit to let it get down off in there. So we turn. Okay. So it looks as if, since this one was brand new, it looks as if they had some already in there. Well, no, it goes down once I turn it. There we go. Once I turn that wheel, making a bit of a mess here. It goes on down. So it's going to need a little bit more. So I'll add some more to it. So you're going to have to tilt it and turn it a little bit until it goes on down. Turn. Make a bit of a mess. And this one also has UV dye in it. That way, if you have any leak in your AC system, you will be able to detect where the leak is because of the UV dye. It will come out wherever the leak is, and you can use a light, UV light, and it'll show you exactly where the leak is in your unit. Okay, I think that is full. Pick it up and turn it a little bit. There it went down. Pick it up and turn the wheel a little bit. You'll see it go down. Trying to make sure I don't need any more. Once it's full, it's kind of common sense. You'll know that it's full. You can't take any more. So only about 3 ounces should do it. Yeah. So I think that's enough there. So we'll put the cap back on it. Tighten it down. Make sure you don't over tighten it. Tighten it back down there. And there you have it. Okay, super simple, super easy. I want to thank you for watching. Clean up my mess here. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for my content that I post to show you other ways on how to work on cars and fix cars. You'll get the latest content because I'm always working on something. So thank you for listening and watching.